Alright guys, we at the parking lot. We're gonna do some Nitro all-road running. Got Benji, got Offner. I got the Super Nitro, and he's running a 10 scale Nitro. Same belted one and everything. That's a little brother right there. I also got the shaft driven Nitro right there just in case, but try this 2-speed out and see how we get on. Got some more cones over there if we need them. I went down the wrong one? Nah, every one.
What? Every other? Right?
Yeah, so we go down and come up that one and go down that one by the cone and come up on the other side. Let me show you like this. Come down here, next one, up, next one, and then up this one. Man. Need help, Benji?
Ain't enough.
Got you.
Just less than that.
I got you. Some all-road running. Oh! Just gotta wait for it. Running nice. Ready to get an ass kick. Benji! Line it up, line it up! Line it up, let's see. We're gonna take a drag race right here.
All it takes is a little pebble.
Rich. Need to go up on the idle. Go up on the idle. And when you let go of it, it dies. So you need to go up on that. Just a little bit. There you go. Now that shit hit. You see that second gear? Now let me see if I can keep it. Ready, set, go!
Oh no!
That was a good one. Woo-hoo! Yeah! You definitely got me. Got me on the big end. Line them up, baby. Line them up. You good now?
Do it!
Yeah. I want my body on. on! Listen! He had you! Oh, shit! Alright. Ready, set, go!
Took that time.
But you had like a lot more load. It was sitting, that's why. If it was ready. Ready, set, go.
I lost it.
She need to hit like that going down. Ready, set, go. Oh, he's yeah. You ready? Run away. No, Sammy. What came off?
I don't know.
Ah, the top. So probably the receiver, because it hit that.
Yeah. Nothing idle.
It's what?
I know it's been idle.
Spinning out. You gotta keep that thing under control.
No, I love the touching over there.
Oh.
Here we go.
You ready? Line them up. Ready? Set, go. Get his ass. Oh, he took me on the big end. That's second gear, man. One more time, one more time. My last little bit of gas. Ready, set, go. Oh, he ain't catching me that time. Oh, he really caught me. Damn, that second gear ain't no game, man. I gotta put mine in. Oh yeah, I got him on the way back though. I got him. Ooh, that's a race, baby. Yeah. Good thing you got these. Got a little scrape. Ain't nothing. Yeah, that was a good run. You ain't catching that thing, Benji. Oh, nice save. I ain't gonna lie, that was a good one. We gotta bring it back. Let's do it. Let's do it, Benji. Ready, set, go. Ooh! You call it. Ready, set, go. Got me on that big end. Ready, set.
3, 2, 1, go!
was catching me in that big end still.
3, 2, 1.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go!
You took it? You took it? I don't know who took it. I can't see.
3, 2, 1.
See how these new shocks hit. Look like I'm a little bit off there. How's she looking, Benji? She looking like a shooter? All I smell is foams. Look at Benji over there on the laptop. I see what happened there, Benji. Ready, set, go. It's telling me that ain't no 1-8.
I went down.
Straight. That's how you come through. That's how you come through, Benji. They're not stopping me, baby. Y'all got the RS4 Typhoon stretch. Man, Benji, let's get it. Ready, set, go. Woo. Set, go. Don't let the OG hat go away, Benji.
I got like 20 of them.
Let me.
100 laps.
Right now?
100 laps. Didn't shut it off. Nothing.
On the same tank?
Huh?
On the same tank?
On the same. I've been filming.
Ah. Damn.
100.
That little shit run. Don't ever mess with that car. Don't touch a fucking thing on it. It's too. You got the steering up too high. That's why you oversteering.
Yeah, no, remember that we said it. Hey.
Yeah. That's how. Yeah. You don't need to touch nothing on that car. Nothing.
No turn.
No turn. She dialed in.